In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import 1099-B into TurboTax. If you need to bring in investment or crypto-related tax documents and want a faster alternative to manual entry, this process is designed to help streamline that. We'll walk through the import path inside TurboTax and use an upload option to add your 1099-B information. To begin, open your TurboTax return and go to the main navigation area. From there, hover over Income. This section is where TurboTax groups earnings, tax forms, and other reportable activity. So it's the right place to start when you're adding investment documents. Once the income menu appears, click on Investments and Savings. That will take you into the part of TurboTax where you can report things like stock sales, brokerage activity, and other investment transactions that may be included on a 1099-B. On the next screen, click Yes. This confirms that you do have investment-related information to enter. If you're following along in your own account, this step simply tells TurboTax to continue into the investment import workflow. After that, select your financial institution. In this example, choose Coinbase. Depending on your situation, the name you see may vary, but the idea is the same. You're identifying the source connected to your 1099-B information. Next, click Enter a different way. This is useful if you're not signing in directly through the institution or if you prefer to provide the tax document another way. It gives you an alternate path that leads to file upload. Then click Upload. This opens the option to submit your document from your device instead of entering the details line by line, which can save time and reduce the chance of typing errors. When the upload option appears, click Continue. This moves you to the document submission screen where TurboTax is ready to accept the file. Now, click the area to drop documents or select the file you already have saved on your computer. Choose your 1099-B file and let TurboTax begin processing it. Make sure you upload the correct document for the correct tax year, and if the file name is unclear, it can help to double check it before submitting. Once the file is selected, TurboTax will continue the import process from there. At that point, it's a good idea to review the imported information carefully to make sure everything matches your tax document. That way, you can catch any missing details before moving on with the rest of your return. And that's how to import a 1099-B into TurboTax.